Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this awesome potty chair that I got for my son. So this is great because it fits right on your toilet. It's super easy to put together. You follow the directions, and it's nice because it folds up, which is great. So once your little one is done using the toilet, you can pop this off. As you can see, it has a nice firm grip, so they're not sliding around. Pop this off and it folds right up, and you can store it wherever you need to. So I think this is great. I think it's perfect for my little one. It helps him not be afraid of the big scary toilet. And it's been a useful tool in our potty training journey. So I definitely recommend it and think you should try it out. And that is my point of view.